Cham here. What is going on? Are you studying those Elliot wave counts? I hope you do, because this video is something you guys don't want to miss. This video is we're gonna talk about reversal pattern. All right. A lot of people ask me, how do you know that it's gonna reverse? Um, what? I use my sixth sense. I use some kind of indicator. No, I use Elliot wave count. All right. Now, I already shared with my Telegram group channel. I showed you all this and this. If I want to see a reversal pattern, I want to see a bull flag. I want to see a triangle flag, right? And then a choppy ending diagonal. All right. So, is it in the book? Yeah, of course it is. You get a 5 wave up and the 5th wave, right? The first wave is impulsive. The second wave is choppy, like this. Okay. So the wave 5 is a contracting, expanding diagonal. All right. And the 4th wave, on my last video I talked about 4th wave is always most likely is a WXY or an ABCDE. It must be in a zigzag family, right? Usually it's not flat. Okay, it's not a flat. It's most likely to be a WXY and ABCDE on the 4th wave. Now, I'm gonna zoom in here and let you guys see what I mean. Now, some of you guys thinking, hey, why is Panacham charting on a 5 minute, on a 1 minute? No, you guys, I'm looking at a bigger picture here on a 1 hour and a 4 hour time frame to daily, weekly. But when it comes to counting waves, right, I usually do it on a small time frame. Now, okay, gonna trying to give you example what I'm thinking right now. Okay, now, like I said, I want to get a bull flag, which is this. We had it, right? And I want to get an ending diagonal. Do we see an ending diagonal here? Not yet. So if it does not have ending diagonal, it only tells me there's a potential that it's gonna make a new high. All right. A lot of people are gonna say, nah, Panda, you're bullshitting me. Where you got an impulse down? Now I'm gonna show you example. On the previous past, it has already done it before. It has already all the time, and I catch it all the time, right? Okay. For example, this. Okay. Now, first of all, I'm going to say that this is not a financial advice. It's only a prediction, all right? A prediction that it might or might not happen. But we want to make sure, as an Elliot wave trader, we want to make sure that we know it's coming. When it happens, we know we're not going to ask ourselves, what the heck was that? What wave was that? What the heck was the pump and dump? You won't get those kind of questions in your mind if you're an Elliot wave traders. I mean, you won't get you won't say things like, what just happened? Only say, wow, pump and dump. I knew it's gonna happen. Okay, we're gonna have that kind of mindset. Of course, a lot of people judge me, say, oh, Elliot wave traders, they have so many scenarios, and blah, blah, blah. It's never gonna work because they have so many counts, blah, blah, blah. It's fine. That's your problem, not mine, because I'm making money, so why do I care, right? Okay, so I want to get a bull flag. Back to the chart. Okay, I want to get a bull flag, and I want to get an ending diagonal. Okay, the first wave being impulsive, right? The first wave is always impulsive, guys. Remember that. Okay, now the second wave is gonna be a flat. Okay, it's gonna make some kind of a flat. Okay, so which means this could be going up right here. Okay, and then come back down and then hit the 618 over here. Now, in the third wave, it's gonna go like that, and the fourth wave is gonna go like that, and hit our target $1,100 and $930 that I've been talking about for many weeks. All right, the only way we could get that right now is that it makes this pattern, right? Okay, now what I want you to do is to bounce on this bull flag. It's like a retest, breakout, retest, and then go up, right? I want to see that. All right, I hope I see that, because I know it's gonna, it's gonna do this, right? Now, you guys asked me, it's just a prediction, it might not happen. Yeah, of course, because initially my plan was having, let's look at a 4 hour time frame, okay? No, small time frame, 1 hour. Okay, my plan was, I wanna see an ending diagonal like this. Okay, this is itself is an ending diagonal. All right, you guys, itself is an ending diagonal. I want to see this, which is an ABC. It's in the textbook. Okay, it's in the textbook. Let me open that. Look at that. This one, ABC. You see that? It's in the textbook. The C as an ending diagonal. Okay, it's in the textbook. I want to get this right. Let's look at that like that. Okay, so the fourth wave could come down here, right? It's still gonna be an ending diagonal. Okay, you see that? But ideally, I like it to bounce here. Okay, you see that? A lot of chart is made out of a lot of triangle and ending diagonal. Okay, now in another way to look at this, I mean, this whole structure here could be a triangle as well, right? So you get a pump like this, and then you get it down like that, and then you get some kind of, right? To get to my target as well. There's many ways to count this. That is why a lot of people judge that, there's too many scenarios. I mean, how do even Elliot wave traders trade this, right? We know that it's gonna happen. We know that it's gonna bounce here. So whatever it happens, we're gonna take profit here and take a long. And no matter what the pattern, what kind of pattern, it's a trade risk. Why? Because the rules is the wave 4 cannot overlap with the wave 1. Now let's say that this is the wave 1, right? What do? We just take along, guys. Take along, no worries, stop loss on the wave 1 territory right here. I mean, the risk reward, guys, it's so good. Why not take it, right? It's gonna be choppy here. I mean, we could take a profit right here, and it comes down. We could maybe scalp short it first, and maybe we see a reversal pattern, like we get a triangle over here again, and an ending diagonal here again. It's like a triple combo. It's ending diagonal in an ending diagonal in an ending diagonal. That only tells you what reversal is coming. Okay, guys, reversal is coming. Alright, this is simple as it is. Don't think too much. It's a very simple, right? This is one of this pattern. Alright, now I'm gonna show you guys example from the past. Okay, example from the past, right? Okay, let me put it up over right here. Okay, you see this bull flag here, guys? You see it? Right? If we exclude the wick, it is still a bull flag. Okay. Now, this is the bull flag, and this is the ending diagonal. Okay. It went up, and then it dumped. Okay. It's a dump and pump. Okay. We knew that it's gonna happen. Okay. Why? Because when you measure this here, when you measured here to here, the last top over here. Let's see. Okay, it's gonna take the 382 and the 0.5 minimum, maximum 0.5. You see how it's 0.5 and it went up. So it's only telling me that, okay, potentially that it's almost done. That's why it dumped, and then it pumped, and then it dumped. Okay, so that is what happened on that day. A lot of people got wrecked, but it's making an anti-diagonal. So you want to get a bull flag and an anti-diagonal. So that's where you know that the reversal is coming. Okay, and the whole market dumped. All right, here. Okay, so we're gonna get that pattern right here. Okay, we're gonna get it. So how we're gonna get it, I'm not sure yet. How it's gonna formed out here. Not sure whether this is an ABC or is it, I mean, is it WXY or is it some sort of to the upside, right? So whatever happens here, the confluence is on this here. So what you do, okay, you need, I mean, it's already showing that a pattern, it's kind of making out something like this. So we want to take it, all right, whenever we have the chance. The risk is never overlap the wave one, okay? Just gonna repeat myself in case I missed out this. I mean, it could do something like this as well. You know, it's already trying to make a reversal pattern here, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Why not? It's a killer move. You see this, guys? Take it. Take the short. Don't care. Take it. All right. Okay, you guys. So I think that's about it, you guys. I hope you guys learned something from this video. You guys, I got Patreon in my link down description below. Please, guys, if you want to support me, because I'm on a lockdown right now financially, I am in a crisis. Trading is not my full time yet because I'm not trading that big. But if you feel that the TA that I'm giving you guys is resourceful, is helping you in improving your trade, you know, if you're feeling generous, maybe you could donate to me. Okay, I'm not begging, but I mean, just want to mention that out. All right, guys. Okay, you guys. So I think that's about it. Still, I am expecting the target. This two target here. Either it's gonna be 11,920 or it's gonna 12,184, $80. $180. Okay, so either that it's gonna happen, it might happen, it might not happen, but it might come down, roll over as well. Okay, but once we break this, okay, I only see that we're gonna go really deep, really deep, because this support here is really important, right? It's better to stay above here. Because the last time it broke this support here, we had a waterfall. Look at that. The last time we broke here, we had a waterfall. Okay, it was a 7,000 to it's a 4,000 dump. Okay, so we get this right. We break this, guys. Goodbye, Bitcoin. It's gonna end. Alright, guys. Alright. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe my video, and I'll catch you guys in another video update in a few days. I think it's gonna be in a few days. Alright, guys. Bye.